What's inside a pimple? A pimple is a little pustule or papule. Pimples foster when sebaceous organs, or oil organs, become stopped up and contaminated, prompting enlarged, red injuries loaded up with discharge. Otherwise called spots or zits, pimples are a piece of skin breakout. They are probably going to happen around adolescence, yet they can occur at whatever stage in life. During pubescence, chemical creation changes. This can cause the sebaceous organs, situated at the foundation of hair follicles, to become overactive. Subsequently, pimples are probably going to happen during the teen years and around feminine cycle, for ladies. Pimples frequently influence the face, back, chest, and shoulders. This is on the grounds that there are numerous sebaceous organs here of skin. Skin inflammation vulgaris, the primary driver of pimples, influences more than 80% of young people. After the age of 25 years, it influences 3% trusted source of men and 12% of ladies. Type. There are a few unique sorts of pimples, and they have various signs and indications. Whiteheads. Also known as a shut comedo, these are little pimples that stay under the skin. They show up as a little, tissue-shaded papule. Clogged pores. Also known as an open comedo, these are obviously noticeable on the outer layer of the skin. They are dark or dull brown, because of the oxidation of melanin, the skin's shade. Certain individuals erroneously accept they are brought about by soil, due to their shading, and scour their countenances energetically. Scouring doesn't help. It might bother the skin and cause different issues. Papules. These are little, strong, adjusted knocks that ascend from the skin. They are frequently pink. Pustules. These are pimples loaded with discharge. They are plainly apparent on the outer layer of the skin. The base is red and the discharge is on the top. Knobs. These have a comparable design to papules, yet they are bigger. They can be excruciating and are inserted somewhere down in the skin. Sores. These are obviously apparent on the outer layer of the skin. They are loaded up with discharge and are generally agonizing. Sores regularly cause scars. Causes. Pimples happen when pores become obstructed with sebum and dead skin. Once in a while this prompts disease and aggravation. Why they influence certain individuals more than others is generally obscure. The sebaceous organs and pimples. The sebaceous organs are little skin organs that emit sebum, a waxy or slick substance that greases up the skin and hair. Sebaceous organs are found inside the pores of our skin, all around the body, aside from the palms of the hands and bottoms of the feet. There are more sebaceous organs on the face and scalp than somewhere else. As the organs produce sebum inside the pores, new skin cells are continually developing, and the external layers of skin are being shed. Now and again, dead skin cells are not shed. They stay in the pores and get remained together by the tacky sebum, causing a blockage in the pore. Pore blockage is bound to happen during pubescence, as the sebaceous organs produce more sebum right now. Bacteria disease. Where sebum and dead skin cells amass and block a pore, this empowers the development of unwanted microscopic organisms, including Propionibacterium acnes p. Acnes, a lethargic developing bacterium connected to skin inflammation. Propionibacterium acnes exists innocuously on our skin, however when the conditions are correct, it can duplicate all the more quickly and turn into an issue. The lethargic developing bacterium takes care of off the sebum and produces a substance that causes a safe reaction. This prompts skin aggravation and spots. In spite of the fact that pimples are identified with bacterial contamination, they are not infectious. One individual can't get pimples from another. Hazard factors. It is muddled precisely why certain individuals are more inclined to pimples than others. Chemical change and hereditary variables might assume a part, as skin breakout regularly runs in families, however some different components are conceivable. Great and awful microorganisms. Similarly as in the gut, we have great microorganisms that ensure against infection and awful microscopic organisms that cause illness. Researchers have suggested trusted source that the equivalent might be valid for the skin. Specialists at the Washington University School of Medicine recognized two interesting strains of P. acnes in the skin of 20% of individuals with pimples, while those with solid skin tended not to hold onto these strains. Source. One more strain of P. acnes had the contrary impact. Individuals with pimples tended not to have this strain, yet those with sound skin had it. This might demonstrate that specific sorts of microscopic organisms decide the seriousness and recurrence of pimples. The scientists recommend that these microscopic organisms may likewise connect with various components, for example, chemical and sebum levels. They call for more examination. Yeast contaminations. Skin inflammation type breakouts have additionally been connected to yeast contaminations. Pityrosporum, otherwise called malassezia or folliculitis, happens when a Pityrosporum yeast enters the hair follicles and duplicates, setting off a bothersome emission of little, irritated, adjusted pimples, that looks like skin breakout. It chiefly happens on the upper chest, shoulders, and upper back, yet it can likewise influence the face. The vast majority have this yeast on their skin, yet on the off chance that an excessive creates, it can cause an issue. It can happen to all kinds of people in youthful to middle age. Damp, sweat-soaked conditions, garments made of engineered strands, and the utilization of sleek skin items would all be able to exacerbate this. The condition is normal in youths, likely in view of expanded sebaceous organ movement. It isn't equivalent to skin inflammation, yet it is frequently mistaken for it. Aggravate. They stifle the microbes that would somehow or another control the yeast. Antifungal treatment is required on account of malassezia. Testosterone affectability. Specialists have discovered a connection between skin inflammation, pimples, and more significant levels of testosterone and different androgens, the male chemicals that additionally exist in lower levels in females. Higher testosterone levels seem to trusted source to trigger more prominent movement in the sebaceous organs, bringing about more obstructed pores and higher possibility of skin inflammation. Dietary variables. The job of diet in skin inflammation is hazy, however, since a sound, adjusted diet is known to advance great well-being, some dietary components might influence the probability of getting skin inflammation or pimples. Nutrients A, D, and E are completely known to assume a part in keeping up with sound skin, so it is conceivable that a sufficient inventory of these nutrients might assist with forestalling skin inflammation. Milk utilization has been related with skin inflammation. On the off chance that milk assumes a part, this could be because of the chemicals in milk. In any case, discoveries have been uncertain. It has frequently been said that sugar and chocolate trigger skin inflammation, yet research discoveries have not upheld this. Studies have linked trusted source a low glycemic record (GI) diet with lower levels of insulin in the blood, lower levels of androgen, and a diminished probability of skin inflammation. Be that as it may, the outcomes are not definitive. Additionally, pushing a low GI eating routine could deter individuals from burning through enough entire grains and other energizing food varieties that could give valuable supplements. Despite the fact that skin breakout is identified with sebum creation, keeping away from all fat in the eating regimen isn't prudent. Solid polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats are fundamental for key renal capacities. A without fat or extremely low fat eating regimen can make the skin dry out and brief the body to build sebum creation. A decent admission of fats from nuts, seeds, and olive oil might help by holding aggravation within proper limits, supporting the body in keeping up with solid glucose levels, and keeping up with great skin dampness levels to give a successful obstruction and insusceptible reaction to forestall bacterial contamination. As per the American Academy of Dermatology (AAD), there isn't sufficient information to suggest dietary changes for skin breakout patients. In the event that dietary changes are to assume a part in skin inflammation treatment, the AAD recommend that this ought to be as a supplement to demonstrated skin inflammation medicines, instead of as a sole treatment. They recommend that people screen themselves to perceive what may trigger a breakout. Some ailments additionally increment the shot at pimples, for instance, polycystic ovarian disorder (PCOS). Since skin inflammation seems to come from a mind-boggling connection of supplements, chemicals, and different elements, it is hard to pinpoint precisely what makes pimples decline. In the event that skin breakout and pimples begin to influence an individual's personal satisfaction and confidence, a specialist or dermatologist can frequently help.